This video will go over the static keyword in JavaScript. So let's say we wanted, sorry, let's say we wanted a special utility function. So just say, I don't know. Type. Let's say we wanted we can do this with variables or functions. So let's say we wanted just a utility variable or function, like a cache. So let's create a object with this static keyword, and let's try to access it. It doesn't work. Okay, let's try it like this. It does work. And just to show you it does work. Boom. So what is this static doing? Well, unlike this keyword, it's not actually there for this object. So I explained this like every time you create a new object, this keyword actually like calls on that specific object. The static keyword does the opposite. It's only available here, like in the actual class declaration itself. It's not available to objects. It's only available to the class. Now, this is useful for, like I said, utility variables like caching. If you wanted, to delete something, it's a way to organize your code. So let's say we wanted to and let's say we wanted another utility just to demonstrate this. Science. And let's say these objects are used just to make calculations easier in your program. And let's say I think that's right. Oh, and let's say it returns some operation, but let's just keep it simple. So let's say we want to push every operation into this cache class. So do a calculation, run the calculation that returns the type of the object that we're running it on, and then we're going to push that into the cache array. And let's see what that does. Unexpected token. Hold on, I created a temp runner file. Okay. So boom, it added that to the cache. And check here, still math, and add even more stuff to the cache. Math science. We can treat it just like a normal array. Separate this stuff a little bit. Splice, we can remove everything from the cache. Too. Boom. Like I said, we can also create functions. So let's keep it up here. Static return const. Say returns I 4 E 1, I think. Random other 10 1 20. And let's just say, for convenience, for the sake of the programmer's convenience, they wanted to have this. It would work the same way. Return constant variables. Boom. And like I said, if we wanted to run this on a object, not the class, it would throw an error. So yeah, that's the difference between static and this. Yeah. So static just kind of serves as a way to create utility stuff like variables, functions, all that you don't want accessible by the object itself. If you only want it in the class, this is how you would do it. Yeah. You can even have private fields too. Let's get crazy. So, yeah. So if you want